Good morning and happy Tuesday. I am getting really excited to get to see and know everybody in my advisory class in the next couple days. I wanted to really quickly show you how to access the Meet with me when it is your turn. Okay, so when it is your turn, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and right up here you're going to just type in meet.google.com. Okay. And you might have some things down here, but you won't see this advisory meeting. This is something that I have later for my students today. What you are going to do is you're going to click Join Meeting. And in here, this is that meeting code that I gave you, which is Mrs. H, PSDV. And when you do that, click Continue. You're going to see if there's anybody else in the room. And what I want you to do, hi there, is I want you to go ahead and hit Join Now, and you can make sure that your microphone and your camera are on. All right, so I will see you when it's your turn.